What's up guys, as I said yesterday, I wanted to make a fidget toy out of the spring I tested. And yeah, let's replicate it. The spring. I actually noticed the spaces between the little spring things were a little too small. So it didn't compress properly. So I'm gonna make them like 3. Yeah, so we've got the sketch again, as always. Like that. Looking good. And now I wanted to make little things for the fingers right here and right here, so you can like squeeze it. I don't even know how to start actually. Yeah, I think that's done. Let's make a shape out of it. Get it like 10 high. No, yeah, 10. That's all connected. I think it's looking good. Let's get the slicer going. Fidget toy 1. Oh, spelling mistake. 1 in case it fails and I have to make a second one. Like redesign it, I mean. So we've got the slicer open, fidget toy. It's a simple little thing, no extra anything. Yeah, so let's save it. Fidget toy 1. And get the card in. And start the preheating. And start the print. So I started the print twice and it failed twice. Oh, I can't with this printer. So the print is finished. Let's turn it off. My camera actually died mid time lapse, so no complete time lapse today. Let's remove it. It actually failed twice, so I had to make some bad adhesion. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what's going on with my printer. But the print is fine actually. Kinda. Yeah, the print is fine. So, let's try it. See if it's good. It's very good. Compresses very nicely. You can just play around with it, just like that. You can see. And you can even pull it apart. Yeah, it doesn't pull apart that well, but it compresses well. So I would say successful project. Until the next time.